So the main idea is this is a scene builder for Gulon. We can select audio device, we can select MQTT IP, message for where to send the message. We can select what the message whenever device is on, whenever device is off. And the whole idea of this is that it detects what device is currently running as a speaker. Like you see here, you see that this is Aventry DG60, and it will automatically find out that if the target device is running, and target device is our headphone amplifier. So main issue that this app is trying to solve is that there is FIO K11 amplifier. Press the button for 5 seconds, turn it off, and it's so annoying. So my idea is that this app will open or close entire amplifier. So let's maybe show you that in action. There is a little bit more that I'm gonna speak about. You see, right now it launches in hidden mode, always, and it always in here. You can turn it off or on. So basically, you can select your desired thing, and you see we turn it on and it's inactive, right? Because we still are using our old headphone jack. So what this app does, we could turn it on by pressing on. Then this is sending MQTT command with message 1 to this topic, and now it's in the background checking if the device is active. When the device is active, it will send a request to Windows to switch the current device to be the selected device from this, which is our amplifier. And now you can see that our headphones are connected and our device is this, and I didn't change that. And same goes for off signal. When we close it just minimalize the app, because to exit the app you have to go here and press exit. So when we off, or when the app is closing, like really closing, it will send a signal to turn it off before the app closes. So when we say off, it's sending the signal off and our amplifier shut down and the speakers came back to what they were. So if we go to our controller, we can see here, and this hook is given either in here or is given in main application. There's a shutdown hook. So main app is loading. I didn't change the name from hello application. Should do that, but didn't. And when we scroll down in here, we have our shutdown hook. So at the end of our initialization, we're just adding a hook that's basically a new thread, and whenever shutdown hook is activated, the new thread will open and turn off will be executed, which checks if the checkbox is selected, because whenever checkbox is selected, then we, for example, might not want it to be turned off at the end when we turn off the app, right? So when we uncheck the checkbox, this will just respect the checkbox. Same goes for on signal. When we click on and save config, the app will send the on signal after MQTT server is initiated. Also, this app uses NIRMSoft for sound, for switching sound in Windows, because I couldn't find out the way to do that from Java. It's a painful process. So I just use a third-party library for that. And to do this, what this does literally is just calling the exe file. And to get that exe file, there is a thing that app checks if those files exist wherever the jar file is, and if it does not, then it takes those files from inside the resources here and it's populate the jar file. As you can see in out, when I make the app, when you double click the try, it will just extract all of the important things, and also it will extract config properties because it stores the properties for the app. So when you press on start path, Start but is just you launching the Java in the background, so there is no command. And if you want to see console, you just start this one instead. That's pretty simple. Right, so that was the main showcase of what the app does. Save something, yeah. So just save config, because when we're turning it off, we want to be able to switch it. So you can see in here on the console when I will physically switch the app off, we're getting an exception thread. I encourage you to watch or my 5-minute video of how I code the application. Thank you.